Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I received my Boxycharm. I thought it was late. I always get it on the 15th, but actually it just came later on the 15th than I expected. So I'm going to unbox it. I did take a little peek inside just to see if there were any complexion products, and there weren't. So I have my foundation on, my bronzer, my blush, and then and my brows. And I think I have some leftover remnants of mascara. I didn't take it all off, but anyway, so let's see what's in this box and let's try some stuff on. So this one is called Lucky, which makes sense because it is the March box. Very cute little card insert. Mine's a little rounded, but whatever. And the first thing I see is this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. So we've gotten a few creams. It says after serum, smooth a dime size amount onto clean skin morning and night. Pat into skin until it's dry. So I don't even know if I really want to open this because I feel like this is like my third cream, right? Yes, I had that sleeping mask and I had the green one, which I really am liking, by the way. But let's just take a peek inside. Why do I love this container? It's beautiful. People keep talking. It smells like banana pudding. It almost for a second smelled like fake banana, but it actually smells a little bit like fake banana, but like banana pudding. I'm just gonna touch the top of it. Let's see what it feels like. Oh, you know what? It feels, I can smell it a little bit. It feels just like the pharmacy one, actually. A little bit gel, maybe a tiny bit creamier. This seems fun. It's a soothing, lightweight daily moisturizer that resets, replenishes, and seals in a boost of lasting hydration. And there's banana, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. All right. Maybe I'll use this one day. So there you go. This is definitely full price, and I bet you it's expensive. $39, not horrendous. All right, the next thing I see, I have never tried anything from Lime Crime before. I feel like when I started YouTube, Lime Crime had a big controversy with their lip glosses. Do any of you remember this? And it made me think that Lime Crime was a bad brand, and so I've never bought anything from them. And I thought like everyone stopped buying from them, but maybe things have changed. Maybe I was wrong at the first time. But it's the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. And okay. I don't know why I expect something green because it's the Lucky, Irish palette, but there you go. Look at this. This might be pretty. Okay. We got some mattes and some shimmers. Here's two. So these are pretty. Huge packaging. Why is the packaging so large? The mattes seem awesome. All right, so we'll make a look with that. Let's see what else I got in this. The palette is $38. Okay. Then the next product is a clear brow gel from the brand BDB, Billion Dollar Brows. I think I've gotten product from them before. This one looks pretty fancy. This is Hold and Control. And it sets in seconds and it locks. Let's try this on and see how locking we get. Is this gonna be like the soap brows? I've never tried soap browing. Guys, I don't know why. In real life, my eyebrows look plenty dark, but when I get on here, somehow they blend into my skin. If you have any tips on that, let me know. All right, I will let you know if this, do you see it? I see it. Anyway, I'll let you know how this feels in a few minutes. Okay, a couple more products. I see a makeup setting spray, a rose water makeup spray. Oh man. Does my sister hate rose or cucumber? I can't remember. I think she likes rose, hates cucumber, but I don't think I like rose. I like how I'm not sure. Let's smell this. See the spray. Definitely rosy, but not too much. Ooh, let's spray. Very fine mist. Ooh, that feels lovely. What's this supposed to do? Oh, let's read the back. It says, roses are said to carry the highest vibrational frequencies of any known natural substance on the planet. How did we find that out? Set your intentions and your makeup with our aura lifting, antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 18 hours, 16 hours. I'm going to test this out. But why were we testing roses to determine their ability to deal with vibration frequencies? Sometimes I wonder. Anyway, and then the last product is a lip oil, which I think we got a lip oil last time or 2 times ago, but let's check it out. It's large. Wow. Wow. Hang on, I have to tell you about the setting spray. So the setting spray costs $22. The $1 billion brows are $18, and this monster lip oil is $22 from Cab. Oh no! Oh, okay, okay. Fake pineapple taste. A little sunscreeny. Maybe it's fake coconut taste. Pineapple. I know what it is. Like a pina colada. It's a little bit pina colada-y. Okay. And it's not sticky. So let's try this palette. That, did I tell you that was $20? Okay, here's starting to get my issue, and I always have this issue a couple boxes into Boxycharm. Things start getting weird. It was an awesome November box. I liked the December box. Can't remember the January box. I was iffy on the February box, and now we're at March. I usually give it 6 months, and if they don't wow me with the next box, I might cancel it. But let's try this palette and see what we can make from it. I've been much more in a kind of neutral eye kind of look, so I've kind of stayed away from a lot of bright colors, although tomorrow is, actually today when I'm putting this video up, it's St. Patrick's Day, so I will of course wear some green somewhere on me. But let's try this out. I'm going to start, let me see how shiny Rapture is. That one's still shimmery. Okay, so I'm going to start this look with Dreamy, which is this top shade. Let's see how pigmented these are. I do not have an eyeshadow base on, but it's really the end of the day, so I'm not really checking the longevity here. I'm going to speed this up. All right, and there we go. I'm looking very tan. My screen, I don't know if that's gonna translate, but anyway. So here is the look. These shadows were super easy to blend. I will say this purple applied so much better with my finger than it did with the brush. And I used my favorite, like Real Techniques Instapop brush, which I think carries like every matte super well. So that was odd that it was almost like a totally different color. But they blended out very, very well. I like that. The brows still feel movable, like they're not crunchy or anything. Obviously I just messed with them, so I don't know how they would like live on their own. But I will say I'm kind of like about this box. I have quite a few purple palettes. I mean, you're really talking to somebody who has too many of every palette, of every color, but this one's fine. I don't like how bulky it is for, you know, 8 colors. So I'm not quite sure about this one totally and how much use I'll actually get out of it. The lotion looks promising. It's very pretty. The lip oil is very comfortable. I just don't know if I need this much lip oil in my life. And the brows, fine. I'll kind of report back on this, but this, not my favorite box. Let's see if at the 6-month mark, they can hit a home run with me. Let's hope. Hope everyone enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day. Bye.